Alright, here's our dooring video. He likes this machine. Definitely does the job, makes a big deep hole. Goes around. Big holes. Yeah, you can see it filling up with water. So hopefully the excavator guy, or excavation company guy, told us the right thing to do. They're trying. See how it works out. Filling up with water again. Hopefully we're past the clay. See it really filling in. And Petrash is right there at the bottom. Petrash is big top. Rented us the mini excavator. Definitely a big hole. Alright. Alright, see how we make out. We got it connecting these big holes here.